Choosing the best concealed carry pistol for beginners is a crucial decision that marries safety with confidence. Ideal concealed carry pistols for novices are typically lightweight, compact, and easy to handle, ensuring they're both comfortable to carry and straightforward in operation. These firearms often feature simplified mechanisms and integrated safety features that help prevent accidental discharge, a vital consideration for those new to carrying a handgun. Additionally, the best options provide a gentle learning curve with manageable recoil, clear sight lines, and consistent accuracy, which can significantly boost a beginner's shooting confidence. Manufacturers have tailored specific models that cater to these needs, making it easier for beginners to find a gun that feels like a natural extension of their self-defense toolkit. Choosing the right model involves balancing ergonomics, reliability, and user-friendliness, making the journey into concealed carry as seamless as possible for novices. So in order to help with the decision of selecting what is best for you, we've compiled a list of 6 best concealed carry pistols for beginners that includes all the features important for you to know. You can also find a more detailed analysis and comparison tool on our website, validsurvival.com. Number 6. Ruger Max 9. The Ruger Max 9 micro pistol excels in the competitive world of concealable firearms, combining compact size with impressive functionality and capacity. Despite its diminutive stature, this ultra-compact pistol packs a punch, offering a high capacity of up to 12 rounds with an extended magazine. Its standout feature is the optics-ready slide, which accommodates various micro red dot sights to enhance accuracy and speed in target acquisition. The ergonomic design ensures comfort and control, even with prolonged use. Featuring a smooth trigger and tritium fiber optic day-night sight, the Max 9 provides excellent visibility and quick targeting in different lighting conditions. Weighing only 18.4 ounces when empty and measuring 6 inches in length with a slide less than an inch wide, the Max 9 is incredibly light and compact, perfect for discreet carry. Priced competitively, it delivers outstanding value, making it an ideal choice for those in search of a reliable, powerful, and concealable pistol for daily carry. The Ruger Max 9 is more than just a firearm. It's a crucial asset designed for immediate readiness and effective response. Number 5. Smith & Wesson CSX. The Smith & Wesson CSX has recently made its mark in the concealed carry pistol sector, featuring a metal alloy frame that offers a refreshing departure from the more common polymer frames in this category. This compact semi-automatic pistol is tailored for concealed carry, blending traditional craftsmanship with contemporary engineering. It sports a 3.1-inch barrel and weighs only 19.5 ounces unloaded, with a total length of 6.1 inches, ensuring it remains both highly concealable and lightweight. The CSX is available with either an 8+1 or 10+1 magazine capacity, striking a balance between compactness and firepower. It employs a single action-only SAO trigger system, providing a consistent and crisp pull that aids in improving shooting accuracy. Additionally, its ambidextrous manual thumb safety and customizable magazine release for left or right-handed users enhance its user-friendliness. With its ergonomic design and reliable performance, the Smith & Wesson CSX stands out as a formidable competitor in the micro pistol market, attracting those who prioritize performance and style in their choice of concealed carry weapon. Number 4. Glock 26. The Glock 26, often referred to as the Baby Glock, is an excellent choice for beginners seeking a reliable and manageable concealed carry firearm. This compact 9mm pistol delivers impressive firepower in a small package, measuring only 6.41 inches in total length with a 3.43-inch barrel, making it straightforward to handle and conceal. Despite its petite size, it boasts a solid 10-round capacity, which can be expanded with compatible higher-capacity Glock magazines for added versatility and security. Designed with user-friendliness in mind, the Glock 26 features a low recoil mechanism that significantly reduces strain on the hands and wrists. Its lightweight, at about 21.71 ounces when unloaded, means it can be carried comfortably throughout the day without causing fatigue. These attributes make the Glock 26 a highly appealing option for beginners in search of a reliable, easy-to-use concealed carry weapon that doesn't compromise on safety or performance. Number 3. Walther CCP M2. The Walther CCP M2 is an exceptional concealed carry pistol, specifically designed to cater to the needs of senior shooters. It incorporates unique soft coil gas technology that significantly reduces recoil, making the pistol much easier to handle for those with reduced grip strength or arthritis. Its ergonomic design and the ease with which the slide can be racked stand out as major advantages, allowing seniors to operate the firearm with minimal effort. The CCP M2 is lightweight and compact, weighing just 22.33 ounces and measuring 6.41 inches in length. Yet, it features a 3.54-inch barrel that provides respectable accuracy for self-defense scenarios. The pistol's single-stack magazine holds 8 rounds, offering a good balance of firepower and manageability. It also includes essential safety features, such as a thumb safety and a firing pin block, which are crucial for safe carrying and operation under stress. These characteristics, along with the comfort it offers during shooting and its straightforward maintenance, make the Walters CCP M2 a prime choice for senior citizens seeking a dependable and easy-to-manage concealed carry weapon. Number 2. Canik Meta MC9. The Canik Meta MC9, a standout in the innovative Meta series, sets new standards for concealed carry pistols, particularly noted for its affordability and excellent craftsmanship. This model highlights Canik's ability to deliver high-quality firearms at a competitive price. The MC9 boasts a robust polymer frame reinforced with steel rails, enhancing its structural durability, alongside a Canik striker indicator for clear firing status recognition and a visual loaded chamber indicator for added safety. Technically, the MC9 shines with its 3.18-inch precision-engineered barrel, ensuring superior accuracy and a total length of 6.1 inches, making it perfect for discreet carry. Weighing in at 21.2 ounces, it maintains a comfortable and balanced feel. The pistol comes optics-ready, allowing for full coat witness with standard sights, increasing its adaptability. Safety is prioritized with features like a blade-style trigger safety and an ambidextrous slide release, plus a reversible magazine release that accommodates both left and right-handed users. With a comprehensive set of features, coupled with its affordability, the Meta MC9 offers exceptional value in the concealed carry pistol market. Number 1. Sig Sauer P365 SAS. The Sig Sauer P365 SAS is a masterclass in concealed carry design, specifically engineered to meet the needs of beginners looking for a dependable and easy-to-use self-defense tool. This model distinguishes itself with a streamlined frame that avoids snags during quick draws, a critical feature for those new to concealed carry. Weighing in at just 17.8 ounces with a compact 3.1-inch barrel and a total length of 5.8 inches, the P365 SAS is incredibly portable and discreet, making it ideal for everyday carry. A standout feature of the P365 SAS is its innovative FT bullseye sight, which is flush-mounted to the slide and combines fiber optics with tritium for clear, accurate sighting even in low-light conditions, without the bulk of traditional sights. This design significantly simplifies the aiming process, a boon for beginners. The pistol also includes a ported barrel and slide, reducing muzzle flip and recoil, which helps maintain control and accuracy after each shot. With a 10+1 round capacity, the P365 SAS offers firepower comparable to larger pistols, ensuring that users do not have to compromise on capacity or concealability. Its intuitive design, manageable size, and user-friendly features make the Sig Sauer P365 SAS an excellent choice for beginners seeking a top-tier concealed carry pistol. Selecting the right concealed carry pistol is crucial for beginners, as it lays the foundation for effective self-defense and comfortable handling. The best pistols for new users are characterized by their simplicity, safety, and ease of use, ensuring that novices can carry and operate their firearms with confidence. With the right concealed carry pistol, beginners can develop their skills safely and gradually, making an informed choice that supports their personal protection needs and helps them transition smoothly into responsible gun ownership. However, getting the best concealed carry pistols for beginners is quite challenging when you have plenty of models available on the market with a decent design and innovative features. All the products mentioned above are a perfect blend of versatility and innovation, providing the users the best in-class experience. Choose wisely which product suits you the best and will fulfill all your requirements. Let us know in the comments which model works for you the best and why. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up, stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. See you guys in the next one.